Fresh and delicious turkey gravy is really pretty simple to make. Having this to drizzle over your dinner is always a good idea, and let me show you how to make it today on the Stay-at-Home Chef. We're going to be using the delicious drippings in the bottom of our turkey roasting pan. There's almost never enough juices left in the pan to make gravy to serve up the dinner. So what you want to do, while it's still a little warm, is loosen up all of that good flavor that's stuck to the bottom of the pan by simply scraping it. And if you need to add in a little bit of broth to help loosen it up, add in about a half of a cup. These drippings are loaded with flavor, so make sure you use them. Then strain those drippings into a measuring cup. And as you can see, I only got about 1 cup of those drippings, and that's not going to be enough for our recipe. So top that off with some turkey broth, or if you can't find that, you can totally use chicken broth. I won't tell anyone. The goal is to get 4 cups. Then we're going to head over to the stove. In a medium-sized saucepan, melt 1/4 cup of butter over medium-high heat. Once the butter is melted and bubbly, whisk in 1/4 cup of flour and stir that until the flour and butter are combined. If you need to use cornstarch instead of flour for a gluten-free gravy, just use 1/4 cup of cornstarch instead. Go ahead and stir that for 2 more minutes. Now that the flour and butter have cooked and it's a tad more golden, carefully pour the 4 cups of pan drippings and broth into the saucepan. Whisk that constantly until it comes to a simmer, and then continue to stir that over the heat until it's at your desired consistency, which will be about 2 to 3 more minutes. Our gravy has thickened up beautifully, and now we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of freshly chopped parsley, 1 teaspoon of chopped thyme, and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Whisk to combine, and there you have a delicious homemade turkey gravy. You are going to want to drizzle this on everything. I know my mashed potatoes are lonely without it, but whatever you put it on, you are ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description below. Be sure to check out thestayatHomeChef.com, where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.